The student council has raised $600 to spend on a school dance. So far, they have bought 200 bags of balloons for $2 each. Write an expression that represents the situation. So let's break this down step by step. The student council started with $600 to spend on the dance. They already bought 20 bags of balloons for $2 each. So first we have to figure out how much money they spent on balloons. So 20 bags, $2 each, is going to be 20 times 2. Since they started with 600, we need to subtract that amount. So when I have one operation first and then I do something to that operation, I need to wrap that operation in parentheses. So we started out with $600 and then spent that much money on balloons. So we're going to take the $600 that we spent and subtract the balloon information from that $600. So the final expression that we get, and let me write it out in one color, is going to be 600 minus the quantity 20 minus 2. And that's our expression.